Hey, good guy.
Hey.
So, wait, that's your new partner?
Charlie. Anyway, what is going on, TFT Squad? My name is Brandon, and welcome to Charlie.
God, no.
So this is a game.
He doesn't even pay me to be here. I'm held against my will, being kidnapped. Someone help me! Shut up, baby Jeffy. Wait, call me smart. Oh my god, I'm gonna hate this. Well, yeah, maybe I should get rid of this. Well, I need a new buddy.
It's gonna be one of those games. I already see me and Charlie are not gonna see.
And what about me? Yeah, I guess it's better.
Anyway, he was popular a long time ago.
Oh, I got a surprise for you too. What is it? Yeah.
Honestly, I have never.
Well, I got you too a parrot. Which is gonna be our new pet.
You guys asking me to play the game.
Now, what do you on the other pets? Shh.
I can like beat him up. Okay, this kind of reminds me of like Talking Tom. If you guys remember that game, where basically you just kind of like beat the guy up. Oh, I don't like to put your tongue back in your mouth, Charlie. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I can do in this game. First things first. Oh! So we've got well done, which is where I am right now. Then we've got medium.
We didn't know!
So it says well done. More aggressive than you are in this level. Well, how do they know how aggressive my grandma is? Okay, let's just go to medium. Okay, this is starting to get interesting.
Whoa.
Rare. So you think you're tough, you're a tough cook. Let's see what you can do. So it looks like I need to unlock.
Please hold this pair to be useful. Now go back. Oh, equipment, then we get started. Hey, come on, good guy. Hey, come on, good guy. What the? He copied me just like a parrot. He copied me just like a parrot.
Yep, so this is like Talking Tom.
Hey, can you stop? Hey, can you stop? Come on, let's do it. Man, I don't hold a gun. Man, I don't hold a gun. Look at this freaking parrot, shut up. Hey, give me that gun. No. Just give me that gun. Man. Oh, please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me. You know what? I might be able to use it. Once we could do some cool gunshot moves. Once we could do some cool shot moves. Yep. What? That's no way not gonna my gun. It's gonna kill in a while. Well, that's be all. So today I'm putting in a secret store free of my friends because they think they have the better secret room than me. Even though when it's sweet, it's really stupid. Let's go to the treadmill. Content steal. Wait, what? Yeah, go hit the treadmill. Content steal. But go hit the treadmill. Go hit the treadmill. Oh, so you're gonna get a shot to the face. Okay, wait, I'm gonna repeat the same things over and over again and again. Well, that's what parents do. They do copy people. He's not wrong. But what have you done? Heck, you just like sitting around like, what's the point of you being my buddy? But what expect me to do? I can't get even tell me to do anything when we want to stop a robber. Okay, yeah, that's true. I did not tell you to do anything. And so don't blame me. I'm not trying to watch the TV. Yeah, me too. Well, I'm pouring. Ooh, jackpot. Hey, I'm going to steal that TV. Mwahahaha. Mwahahaha. You know what? I'm gonna turn it off. We gonna what? You gonna turn it off? Yes. So you better get away, or I'm gonna get you. Kung responsive so give me man. What? I can't say the actual game. I'm gonna get us demonetized. So restricted, okay? I'm gonna get us restricted. Yeah. What are you guys doing? Oh, I'll take a break. Oh, I'll take a break. But why do you need to take a break? Even though when you really have crimes to solve. Well, chief, I always solve them. There's no else crimes to even solve. Okay, well, got a gunfight. Okay, well, got a gunfight. Okay, well, how's that my problem? You know what? I'm gonna send you out there right now. Hey! What the figure? What are you doing? Just wait around the job. I want to figure you're fired. Please. I'll do better, I swear. I'll do better. I'll do better. I do not care. You were just wait around. This is a hotel. But it's not. Who do we talk to better? So, are you sure? Yes.
This is gonna be the best weapon in the game. Alright, so let me just play through this mini game a couple times.
Now go take care of some other crimes. Alright? I want to do what you said. I want to do what you said. God. Feel it. I feel it. I see criminal scent. Oh, there he is. Hey, get to one in. But get to one in, boy. Wait, are you sure you want to do that? Yeah. Now this is exactly what I'm talking about. And 2.3 calories. We're gonna do that again. This time, 9 speed. Oh, wait, are you sure? Yeah, they're gonna get that the right time. And they get off. Myself. Okay, you know what? Wait, no, we don't shoot. What the? Okay, look, I'm a ritual parrot. I'm supposed to copy. I don't know why I'm gonna get so about it. Yeah, sorry. I'm just like, I'm pissed off that you keep on copying me every single word I don't say. But we got to take care of this water. When we're just trying to stiff the goldfish. Oh, what exactly? For no reason. Hey, I'm gonna give you a gun too. Wait, what? Yup. Give me a gun. Oh, I'm gonna give them all. So I gotta know it. Alright. Let's get ready for our next crime coming up. You know what? I'm gonna give a ninja boogering guy. He's just so mean. Well, I have one way to give a friends. One way. Now, see you later, file cop. Oh, hello there. Ah, what the hell is this? Well, you must know, I will be taking you hostage as we speak. But why? Because you didn't let me in. Yeah, because you got me, huh? Now, I don't. No kidnapping violence, but am I doing it to a baby? What?
Let me know what else I can do in Charlie the Steak. Also, subscribe to my other YouTube
Hey, come on.
It's called TFG Vlogs, and I will see all of you in the next video.
What the Pelsios Day? I agree with that. Me too. Hey, can I get out now? No! You're in jail! I should have done kidnap him.